UltraSwim Dynamic Duo Repair Shampoo and Conditioner 7 Oz bottle, total 14 ounces. Nourishes and Repairs Dry, Damaged Hair. Dry and Damaged Hair Formula. Item package dimension. 7.0 L by 2.4 W by 3.5 H. A great product with excellent reviews. Please visit our site for more specific info. Top reviews from the United States. Great for tangles. I bought this for my daughter to use since she is in the pool so much. I have no idea if it does anything against chlorine, but this conditioner works amazing for tangles. My daughter has really long fine hair, that tangles and mats easily. Brushing her hair after washes takes forever, even with a wet brush. It took me about 30 seconds to brush her hair after using this. Maybe they should market for tangles. However, I will say I don't notice any major chlorine damage this summer either.